Isn't that picture perfect? Tell me that don't go together. Tell me that don't go together. That is picture perfect. I'm gonna miss my baby. I'm gonna miss my kid. All right. Welcome to M.A.W. Golden Nuggets and Hidden Gems. Some of you who may be using my 1.0 or 2.0 solution, for those who didn't want to go the extra mile in getting those products, here's another alternative that everyone has. And I guarantee you, for those who actually listen to me and actually do it, and not just say, oh, here we go again. Well, don't just listen to me. Actually do it. I'm talking about beginners and veterans. Just do it. Just do it. What could it hurt? And I guarantee you, you're going to be smiling. And if you do, and you do smile, leave a comment below this video and let me know, hey, I tried that suggestion and you were right. Very few know about this hidden gem and golden nugget. But I gotta tell you, once you know this golden nugget / hidden gem, you're gonna wanna always have it in your water. That combined with the gliding strip, man, that's the beast of a concoction. So let me just explain to you what I'm talking about. This formula that I'm talking about, if you're using ammonia, it'll hide the smell. Not only that, it leaves a pleasant odor behind. But for those who don't like all that froth and bubbles, it eliminates that. But the downfall is, if you're not a good pole man and very good at windows, see, a good pole man and a good master doesn't need to see bubbles to clean a window. They don't need to see the water line to clean the window and wonder if they missed a little butcher mark from a squeegee turn or anything of that nature. If you're skilled enough, you won't need to see that. But if any event that you do, just keep using your regular dish soap. But I gotta tell you, this has better glide than any dish soap that you will ever use, or any gliding agent that you will ever use in conjunction with your soap. Put a dash, well, not a dash, put about 1 ounce to 2 ounces in your 64 or whatever 57 ounce pump sprayer, and I guarantee you, you'll be more than pleased. Now, everyone has laundry detergent. I just happen to use this because OxyClean odor blasters, it has a fresh scent. But not only that, unlike dish soap, I think this dissolves the fingerprints on the glass better. So there was a guy who's reputably known in the industry. He talks about my 1-pass tool and explains that he doesn't advise scrubbing a window with that tool. You can, depending on the severity of the filth, but like I told you, if you use it in a way where you only agitate the areas on the glass, in order to do that, that means before you get to the glass, you gotta scan the problem areas. Even when you walk in an establishment, you gotta scan those problem areas so you know what to concentrate on first. With that tool, you don't need to wet the whole window. So why scrub the whole window? You still gotta clean it, but why scrub the whole window if there's only certain problem areas? With this, all you gotta do is go over it maybe once or twice and the fingerprints come out. with your ammonia in the water, you're talking strong. Maybe not as strong as my 2.0 solution. For those who don't know, it is full crystal and ammonia. Now, I don't know if other laundry detergents will get the fingerprints off like that. You could try it and experiment, but if you wanted to get this kind, you could, or use the laundry detergent that you already have. I gather that it'll be just as slick as this, but I haven't tried any other laundry detergent. I've been using this concoction a long time ago. I just was experimenting with different potions over the years, and I went back to this because I didn't order the full crystal yet. But if you want extreme glide, and I mean extreme glide, put some laundry detergent in your water. I guarantee you, you'll be smiling. Also, for those who do this, you might find that you could wet a whole heap of a lot more windows with that solution. Because what happens with soap, when the water starts to disappear, you still may have bubbles, but you cannot wet the whole window fast. You got to go real slow when you're running low on water and you have more soap. But with laundry detergent, because of the slippery slickness of that liquid, it allows those bubbles to be dispersed more evenly. It kind of spreads your water out. I don't know how to explain it, but if you clean with it, you'll notice that right off the back. So that's the golden nugget and hidden gems for today. Laundry detergent. If you're using buckets, I don't use buckets anymore. If you're using a 5-gallon bucket, then you may want to add a cup of laundry detergent to a half a cup of laundry detergent in your water. Now, it might seem like a lot, but you won't have to worry about the bubbles or froth. The glide will be there, but without all that bubbles around the frames to pick up. That's the only reason why some of you use an extreme amount of soap, is so you can get that glide that you guys are so desperately looking for. I've mentioned all of the things that I use that'll have your squeegee sliding off the glass and onto the ground if you're not careful. Don't listen to me. Keep on not listening to me and think I'm spitting BS. I don't never tell y'all nothing that ain't good. So if you don't do what I say, that's on you. All day, every day, I don't work hard. And the squeegee actually moves itself. All I do is guide the sucker. It's doing all the work, as well as should. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one.